So I'm really loving my generator here from Novus. It is a 2300 watt generator. That's what its starting wattage is. The running is 1800 watts. So some of the things that are right up here up front, we've got a typical 120 volt plug. That's 20 amps. This is a 30 amp one for RVs. Right here, we can go ahead and plug in smart devices with a USB-A. It does have an eco mode, and it allows it to run on 12.5 hours on 1.2 gallons of gas. Over here, we do have some indicator lights. That's going to be on if it's just running. Got overload light, a low oil light, carbon monoxide protection here. It's going to go ahead and turn off if it detects any carbon monoxide. And then right here, this allows you to go ahead and parallel another generator to go ahead and increase your output. Super light, 39 pounds, easy to carry around. I mean, this is great if you want to go camping, tailgating, maybe a power outage at your home. It's real easy to start. Got a simple dial right here. You put it on choke. Starts right away. And then you put it on. It's super quiet, and I hope you found this review helpful.